my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things luxury beauty and skincare related. And Redbone Coonhounds. I have Legend with me today. In today's video, I did a little Sephora haul. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got, keep on watching. I have a lot of products. Legend's gonna be assisting me in this video today. You can see his snoot. Now, you guys know, if you're new here, I love luxury beauty. It's totally my thing. Let's go in with hair products. So hair has been a big part of my journey over the past year. We're starting to get growth. We're starting to get a lot of health back, but it's been a journey and a half, and I have experienced a lot of damage on the top layer of my hair. So it's really been a full growth journey. What I picked up was Olaplex. I got the Olaplex number 4D, the Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo right here. It's the first time I've ever used this product. It absorbs oil, volumizes, refreshes, and detoxifies all hair types and colors. I use the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner now. I was using the, what was I using? I was using Aveda's, their green bottles, their repair products. That was good. I always like Aveda products, but I was still experiencing some damage and like it just wasn't quite hitting the mark for me as much. So I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna do the Olaplex thing, the number 3, I know it works, and then you know what, it just did a really nice job. My hair got a lot stronger, my scalp got a lot healthier, and my hair just really got a lot of its strength back. Between the 3, I think the 4, the 5, I forget the shampoo and conditioners numbers, but it just worked really well. So I decided I was gonna stick with the Olaplex family, and then I was just gonna follow up with the Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. And I just picked it up. I think this was $30. All their stuff runs about like 30 bucks. If you want to get larger sizes, they are of course more expensive. I just tried this for the first time today. I did notice a little bit of a white cast. That really annoys me when it comes to dry shampoos. I think it happens when you spray it too close to your scalp, but honestly, I really have just been enjoying Olaplex, and I think it's what my hair needed. So I'm going to continue using Olaplex products, and I'll let you guys know in my Instagram stories how this works out in the end. I was using Dry Bar a lot prior to this, so we'll see how this matches up to Dry Bar, and we'll just keep using this product. Next thing, while we're on the hair topic, I'm going to follow up with that because I know this is going to be a little weird, but I did pick up another shampoo, the OUAI shampoo, the thick hair shampooing, just the shampoo. Okay, I know I just went on a big Olaplex rant, and I'm going to tell you why I picked this up, because my hair can get just a little dry just from using bonding shampoos. And my hair is pretty strong and it's ready to take on color. It's very short up top here just because this is the part that really broke and got damaged from that color damage a year ago. So because it's like very strong and whatever, it does lack moisture. So my hairstylist did recommend, listen, try this OUAI shampoo just like once a week, just to get some moisturizer in it. And you know what, I took her advice. I bought the shampoo, and what's cool about this brand is they have like a thin, medium, and thick texture shampoo for all different hair types, which is great because I have super thick hair, and this just really broke right through all my hair. With a lot of shampoos, when you have super just like thick hair like I do, you have to use a lot of product to get a really good lather going. And as a result, I can sometimes get like an unhealthy scalp because like my shampoo doesn't really break through to the scalp region because my hair is so thick. But this did a really nice job at just kind of getting through to the scalp, getting myself a really good cleanse, and hopefully made my hair a little more hydrated. I don't know, I've only used it once, but packaging's beautiful. It's really nice. I hope it does a good job. I think this was around the $30 mark too, so I hope it does a good job. I'll let you guys know. If I don't like it though, I'm gonna return it just because like I don't really need 2 different shampoos, and I really want to see if it's going to do its job. But, you know, like all things beauty, I'll invest as long as it's doing its job. You know what I mean? Okay. Next, I'm excited. Well, you know what? I'm going to go in because my team lost the Super Bowl. Want to know what I do when I'm like super, super sad? I go and I buy a new lipstick, new lip gloss, new lipstick, whatever. I don't know. It's exciting when you buy a new lip color. For some reason, it's extremely satisfying. And for me, it's pink lips. Always and forever, girl. You're always going to see Morgan with some form of pink shade of lipstick. Pinks are my nudes. People can buy all kinds of nudes, girl. They could be in me, it's pinks. It's pink shade after pink shade after pink shade. It could be cool, warm, medium, rose tone, coral, like whatever, nude with a pink undertone, mauve sometimes. We got some type of berries, you know what I'm saying? Like we got some whatever, but I love a good bright cool tone pink, and those are hard to find. Let me tell you, girl, they're hard to find, especially with this skin tone, because I'm like kind of like both, like I'm warm and cool, so it's kind of hard, but I always loved a good cool tone. I always loved a good cool tone. So wanna know what I did? I indulged in some Gucci. That's right, baby. I got my first Gucci product, and it is in the color Patricia Pink. And it's in the color 407, so we're gonna open up Miss Patricia, okay? Now, again, first Gucci product. I only put the lipstick on once, saw it in the store, and I was like, look at this cute little bullet, right? We love her. It's the matte one. So I'm gonna just, because it's really pretty, it's like really delicious looking. So I used it once, but like how delish, right? How delicious does this look? So I'm gonna put it on because I am just super bare. I have like nothing, you know, I'm all skin tone. Or I'm sorry, I'm all skincare with like nothing on my lips, and I just feel like, for me, that one shade, like when it comes to makeup, it's like if I have lipstick on, I feel complete, you know? It just, and it has to be pink. Oh yeah, she's super pinky. Yeah, and this is matte, by the way. This color pink is matte, and they're, it's super pigmented, and it's super hydrating and moisturizing. They're matte, like it's not a drying one at all, although my lips are a little dry, but this is definitely electric, and I'm here for it, and I can't wait to be tan and wear this, and I don't care what anyone says. I've been wearing pink lipstick since the dawn of time, and it was the first, let me tell you a little something about Miss Morgan Talk. The first piece of makeup I've ever tried was my grandma's electric pink lipstick, so maybe that's why I'm addicted to pink lips. Also, like Barbie, I think I took this hint from Barbie when I was a child, because I always noticed a Barbie always has pink lips. No matter what, like, color Barbie's wearing, like, no matter what outfit Barbie's wearing, take note that her lips are always pink. No matter what, Barbie's lips were always blonde hair, pink lips at all times, and I think that just kind of stuck with me, and now it's just, I'm just that bee. I'm just that bee with the pink lips, and yeah, it is what it is. Okay, thank you, Gucci. Next, and the final product that I purchased, and I got it back in my life, and I'm so excited, and it deserves a review finally, because I feel like I've talked about it so much. I've recommended it to so many people, and I think it's like, I never did a review on it. I think I've had pictures of it on my Instagram, but it's like, it deserves its own video because it's by far Caudalie's best product ever created, and it is their Beauty Elixir. Right here, I got a little one, and I'm like already regretting getting the little one because I forgot just how truly amazing this is. I picked up the little one. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get a little one, and then I was like already using a ton of it, and now I'm like, I only had it for like a day, and like I already used that much. Like, why, like, is that focusing? I've already used this much. Girl, like what? Like, go back and get the full one. So it's expensive. I think it's like 60, 68 bucks for the full size. I think that's a lot for a mid luxury skincare brand, Mistz. Mistz usually are like 25 bucks. Like, they're not that expensive, but there's something about this mist. This mist is amazing, and I just want it on me. Like, oh, the way it like disperses, it just comes out like, oh my God, and it smells like so expensive and it comes out so fine and it just goes all over your face. And it literally, this mist, not only, it filters your face and it gives you this glow that like no other mist can do. And it genuinely gives you this gorgeous, flawless, filtered face that's truly incredible. And the smell and the cooling sensation that it gives you truly refreshes you and wakes you up, and it honestly makes your skin look and feel its best. Like, this is my favorite mist. Like, I can't even describe how much I love Caudalie's Beauty Elixir. Like, when people ask me face mist recommendations, I'm always recommending this mist. Like, it's my favorite. Like, La Mer's, I'm linking this down below for everybody. Like, I'm linking this down below. Point blank. Like, you could, like, face mists have come a long way. Like, people, like, don't recommend them, but truly, they do have a place in your skincare routines if you guys get the right ones. Some face mists are gimmick. Like, Evian, I think, is selling, like, just pure water. That's, like, a gimmick to me. I think that's, like, a setting spray. But, like, when you buy, like, effective face mists, like this one that's, like, loaded with antioxidants and, like, truly, like, helps your skin and revives your skin with these amazing antioxidant ingredients, and gives you hydration, I mean, it's worth it to me. I genuinely love spraying this on my face throughout the day. Like, La Mer's mist, I think, is nice in that it's very hydrating. It could be a little heavy, could be a little oily. It's pretty heavy. Like I said, very hydrating. You might want to watch how much of that mist you use. But that's an effective mist for a different reason. Chantecaille's rose water is delightful. I love that rose water. But this is just best all around. You know, I just love this mist. And I could spray it on me all day. Truly. I love it. So I'm happy I have it back in my routine. I'm happy that it's here on the channel, on my Instagram again, that I could circulate it, I could talk about it again, and I could really give you guys a good review video. And I could just honestly give it a home on my pages independently so I can get talking about it more again and like get this recommendation out there for you guys, because it's honestly one of my favorite things like in the skincare game. Like, it's amazing. So anyway, all right, you guys, that's all I have. I hope you liked this haul. The hair game, you know, my hair products are becoming more and more dear to my heart. I never had to take more care. Like, I take a lot of care of this mane. Like, I don't think people understand, like, truly, like, how much I have to maintain my hair. Like, this hair is a journey, and it deserves more and more, like, screen time, because good products are hard to come by, especially for people with, like, a lot of hair. I don't think people really talk about it a lot. But, you know, she's thriving. I'm trying to find the best products for you guys, because let me tell you something, good hair care is important and it's expensive. So I'm here to spill that tea for you guys too. Don't get it twisted. You guys, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. I'm here spilling all the luxury beauty tea for you guys. And of course, like, the truth in my most authentic form. Don't forget, I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys. I'm gonna subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram if you miss me. If it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video and you miss me, follow me on Insta. You'll find me on there. I started physical therapy for my fibromyalgia, so it's definitely been very time consuming, but I really have to stay committed to that, because for my health, you know what I'm saying? But you guys know I don't miss a routine ever. So if you miss me, Instagram, you can find me there. You guys, I love you, and I will see you guys in the next Lux video. Spray on beauties, stay hydrated, stay flowing, and stay luscious. Bye.